Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and confirming which SIM or ESIM is active. This ensures you check the correct data counter. Once done, tap Network and Internet, and then SIMs and mobile networks to reach per SIM controls. Make sure mobile data is enabled if you want live tracking. Otherwise, you can still view historical usage. These initial steps prevent confusion when different SIMs or Now, you tap mobile data usage to see totals for the current billing cycle. Change the cycle dates so numbers align with your bill. Once aligned, inspect the graph and total bytes for the period to understand overall consumption. Make sure to open app data usage to see which apps consumed the most data. This helps you target heavy users. If you need precise measurements, note the sent/received bytes shown next to each app. To finish, set a mobile data warning or hard limit so you don't exceed your plan. Tap data warning and limit and enter values that match your carrier's thresholds. Once done, enable Data Saver to reduce background usage. If numbers look incorrect, reset network statistics or toggle the SIM off and on. This often corrects sync errors. If that fails, restart your phone. Reboots resolve lingering system or carrier metadata mismatches most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.